At Sunday, we have two different kinds of weed control products. Now the reason we have two is that they're used very differently. So first up, we have Dandelion Doom. Dandelion Doom, as the name suggests, is great on dandelions, but also thistle and any other broadleaf weed. And the great thing about it is it actually does not harm grass. You can use it in your lawn. Weed Warrior is different. Weed Warrior will kill anything that's green. So you want to use Weed Warrior on things like sidewalks, garden beds, and driveways. Dandelion Doom is powered by one ingredient, and that's iron. Now that iron absorbs into broadleaf weeds very quickly and kills the plant, whereas for grass, it's actually good for the grass. And for best results, you want to soak the entire plant and it'll be gone in 24 hours. Weed Warrior is powered by an organic herbicidal soap. That dries the weed out and you'll usually see results in as little as 30 minutes. Now the thing with Weed Warrior is you want to cover the entire plant, soak it, and that's going to give you the fastest results. So these come in a few different sizes. We have a 32-ounce sprayer with a trigger sprayer like this. I really recommend this if you want to try it out and make sure it works for you. But to me, the best option is the pouch along with the concentrate. So what you'll do is you add the concentrate, it's already pre-measured, fill this up with water, and then you've got a full gallon and a powerhouse electric sprayer to cover a large area with less work. Let's go get this set up and show you how it works. The Sunday weed control concentrates are pre-measured, so the first step is to pour the entire bottle into the pouch. With all the concentrate in the pouch, next we're gonna add the water. All right, Jenny, give me some water. All right, so there's a gallon mark right here. Right there is what I'm gonna get up to. And then I'm gonna kink the hose, turn it off. And stop. Perfect. So that's 1 gallon of weed control ready to go. And the last step is to put the sprayer on. Thank you. Every few weeks I walk my lawn. When I see a weed, I just give it a quick spray, make sure I get it fully wet, and move on to the next one. You guys know me, I love all things green, but these things have gotta go. This is the perfect spot for Weed Warrior. It's not gonna stain this brick at all, but it'll decimate these weeds in no time. You wanna make sure you get the leaves entirely wet, and then you're good to go.